Wall Street, Willy. I heard my parents talk about putting their money in a bank, but what is a bank anyway? A bank is a type of financial institution that gives loans, which is money that they lend you, which over a certain amount of time, you pay them back with interest. And they also take deposits. For example, you can give them money, which you can put into either a checking savings account or a CD, which is a certificate of deposit. Banks also issue checks and debit cards so that you can access your money. I heard someone talking about an ATM, but what is an ATM anyway? An ATM stands for automatic teller machine. Well, what does it do? Well, an ATM is used mainly for taking cash out of your bank account, but you can also deposit cash and do some other basic things like print an account statement. I heard that someone made a check for a lot of money, but what is a check anyway? Well, a check is a special kind of paper that you can use to pay money to someone else. A person who has a checking account in a bank can write a check for money out of that checking account. I heard that someone opened a checking account, but what is a checking account anyway? Well, a checking account is an account at a bank where you can make day-to-day transactions. You already told me what a checking account is, but what's a savings account? Well, a savings account is basically an account for storing money while you earn some interest from it. I heard that interest rates in CDs are low lately, but what is a CD anyway? Well, a CD is a certificate of deposit. It is a place where you keep your money to get interest from the bank that you kept it in for the amount of money that you kept. The interest rate is decided before you keep your money in, and you keep it there for a certain amount of time. After that, you get your money that you kept in it plus the interest. My parents talking about income tax, but what is income tax anyway? Well, income tax is tax that you pay on the money that you earn. How does the government know how much I've earned and how much income tax I need to pay? The government knows that because you need to file an income tax return every year. What's an income tax return? An income tax return is the name given to various forms that you use to inform the government about your income and taxes. The most common is 1040. Hey people, if you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy Peasy Finance.